Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. I'm Amy, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my morning cleaning routine, and this is pretty much what I do on a day-to-day basis. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell as well, so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. I do hauls, cleaning videos, and I've even been vlogging lately, so make sure that you stick around if you would like to see more. And today's video is a collaboration with my friend Paige, so make sure that you check out the link below. She's going to give you guys her morning cleaning routine, and she's amazing. I know you guys will love her channel, so make sure you go show her some love, tell her I sent you, and if you're coming from her channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you have found me. I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other videos. So here I'm just showing you guys what my house looks like this morning, and it's not too bad because we do most of our cleaning at night, but this is just like breakfast and after cooking and stuff from getting ready this morning. So the very first thing that I do in the mornings is I go ahead, and if I have any laundry that needs to be done, I'll start it now. This is my kids' laundry basket. I actually only have one little basket that we keep upstairs, and we put both of their clothes into one basket, and as soon as it is full, I will take it downstairs. So I actually brought it down last night just to make sure that I remembered to go ahead and start it first thing in the morning. So recently I've switched to the Mrs. Meyer's laundry detergent and fabric softener, and I've been using the honeysuckle scent, and I absolutely love this, and I don't think that I will be switching to anything else for a while because I just love it so much. Alright, and the next thing that I do is I go ahead and start in the breakfast area, and I get any crumbs and anything off the table, and then I will spray down the table first, and I'm actually using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray, and this is the radish scent. It's really good. I'm about out, so I have lots of other scents that I am loving as well, but I will just clean off the table and get any crumbs or anything, any spots off. It's funny because here I had like syrup on the table this morning, crumbs on the table, and then also a little bit of spilt milk. Alright, the next thing I do is I go into the kitchen and I just kind of pick up any of the mess that we have from breakfast in the mornings and clear off the counters. And then we usually run our dishwasher at night, so usually I will go ahead and unload the dishes and put them all up, all the clean dishes up, and then I will take all the dirty dishes from breakfast and go ahead and load them into the dishwasher. After the dirty dishes are put into the dishwasher, I'll go ahead and scrub out the sink, and I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap just to clean the sink out, and this is actually the mint scent, and I pretty much ran out, so you'll see me in a little bit. I'm gonna restock on top of my sink with some new Mrs. Meyer's dish soap and hand soap. Now that the sink is all clean, I'll put any of the other dishes that we had sitting out to dry that we hand washed. I'll go ahead and put them up now. Alright, and then I don't do this every single day, but on the days that it needs to be done, like this morning, I will go ahead and wipe down my countertops, and I use the granite cleaner by Method and then the daily wood cleaner by Method on my wood countertops. Alright, and then the next thing I will do is just do a really quick vacuum of the breakfast area and the kitchen, just to get up any crumbs or anything that was left from breakfast. Alright, and now I'm just going to switch out my soaps since they're about out, and that was the mint scent that I was using before, and I'm switching it out for the basil scent and all the Mrs. Meyers, and I'm actually putting my lotion up there as well. And I have teamed up with Grove Collaborative to bring you guys an amazing deal, and if you are a brand new customer to Grove Collaborative and you have never purchased with them before and you would like to, then you can get this whole set for free. It's the dish soap, the hand soap, the lotion, and a scrub brush that has a removable head, and it's amazing. And if you're already a customer with Grove Collaborative, then you can still use the same link below and you can get a set of the walnut scrubber sponges for free as well. So make sure you check out that link below to take advantage of this amazing deal. The next thing I'm going to do is, if we forgot to take up the toys from the night before, then I will take up all their toys in this basket and just kind of drop it off, literally drop it off and dump it into the playroom so that they can clean it up later. Alright, and then I will move on to the master bedroom, and I will just make up my bed and kind of pick up in here, and those are my jammies that I sleep in, and I will usually just put those right back up. I take showers at night, so I usually wear my pajamas like 3 nights in a row before I will wash them. And then a lot of times my daughter will come into our room in the middle of the night. She'll bring stuffed animals with her, and I just usually change her out of her jammies in my room in the morning if she has come in there. And so I'll just go put that quickly back upstairs before I will make my bed up. Alright, and then the last thing that I will do, part of my morning routine, is if I had any clothes in the dryer, I will come bring them and put them on my bed, and I'll go ahead and fold and put those up. I've been doing this a lot recently, and it has made me stay on top of laundry, and it's just been great to know that I have done it early in the morning and haven't put it off. Alright y'all, so that's pretty much all I do in the mornings for my cleaning routine. I take about 20 to 30 minutes to do this, and it just depends on how messy my kitchen is, and luckily if I clean the night before, then it doesn't get too bad. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I know that some of you do not work from home or work outside of the home, so this isn't a routine that you would be able to do, but you could maybe do some of this and consolidate it in with your nighttime cleaning routine. So I hope that this video was helpful and motivating and that you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And then make sure that you go check out Paige's channel and her video to see what she does as part of her morning cleaning routine. Alright guys, I will see you guys in the next video and love y'all. Bye.